Has your class ever made the teacher cry? What happened? I had a history teacher one year, a really good teacher. He had a teenage son who had committed, and after he took some time off, he came back to work. A standard class clown kid started acting up in his class, and the teacher asked him to go into the hallway so he could speak with him privately. We heard their exchange get a little heated. Then the kid said, "No wonder why your son killed himself when he had a father like you." About a second later, I heard that kid bounce off some lockers. The teacher came back into the room with angry tears and told one of us to call the school resource officer. It became a big case, and the teacher ended up suspended for the rest of the year. At the time, I thought it was crazy he'd shove that kid like that. 15 years later, and with some real-world experience, I'm surprised that's all he did.